Alright, hello viewers. Today I would like to talk about interesting topic, the color of the smoke coming from the car exhaust. With colder days setting in, many of you might have noticed smoke from your exhaust, especially in the morning when you first start up your vehicle. Now let's get into why you are seeing this smoke, what different color can mean, and when it may be sign or something more serious. The most common, there are four colors. Here is an example. It's called white smoke, blue smoke, gray smoke, and the black smoke. And now I will explain you which color, what mean, and what caused the smoke from your exhaust. Okay, first we start to talk about the white smoke, which is the most common, especially in the winter mornings, the first start. The white smoke from the car exhaust is often a sign of underlying issue that can range from minor problems to more severe engine or cooling system failure. The specific cause depends on factors such as the smoke appears, is it during startup, acceleration, or just idling, and how much smoke is being emitted. So, white smoke. If you notice a small amount of white smoke or steam on cold morning, this is usually due to condensation, and it's nothing to worry. Just water vapor in natural byproduct of combustion. And when temperatures are low, it condenses in the exhaust system, causing white vapor to come out. Once the engine warms up, the smoke should disappear. So if the smoke disappears when your engine gets the temperature, that's probably no need to repair in this case. This is completely normal. And the vapor will stop as the car warm up. But also, the white smoke could be the coolant leak reason. For example, blown head gasket, crack blocked, or cylinder head is one of the more common and serious causes of white smoke. Is coolant leaking into the combustion chamber. This occurs when there is a failure in head gasket, engine block, or cylinder head. When coolant burns along with the air fuel is mixing, it creates thick white smoke. If the cylinder head or engine block is cracked, it can allow coolant to seep into the combustion chamber or exhaust system, also leading to white smoke. Let's think how we can fix it. If it's a head gasket blown, it will need to replace. Then can be the expensive repair because it involved disassembling part of the engine. If it's a block or cylinder is cracked, it detected the cylinder head block may need welding or replacement. You can try using a head gasket sealer product as temporary measures to stop leaks, but this is generally not a permanent solution, and it's only advisable in low severity cases. The white smoke could be the faulty fuel injector or incorrect fuel mixture. What causes white smoke? The white smoke also caused by malfunction fuel injector or improper air-to-fuel mixture. If it's a fuel injector, you can try to use fuel injector system cleaner, which will help. You can buy on the most petrol station. And the last, but not least, the last which I'm thinking about is if you drive the automatic car with the automatic gearbox, that also is possible the fluid leaks from the automatic gearbox, which cause the white smoke. But like I said at the beginning, if the white smoke disappear after couple of minutes when your engine get the temperature, that probably is nothing to worry. The second very popular smoke from the exhaust. Okay, I want to show you the example. It's something similar to the white smoke, but it's a little bluish. It's called blue smoke. If the blue smoke coming from car exhaust is usually an indication that the engine is burning oil, which can stem from the variety of issues. This is a serious problem, as burning oil can lead to engine damage if left untreated. Why the engine burn the oil? That could be the several reasons. One of them, worn piston rings. Piston rings create a seal between the piston and the cylinder walls. If the rings wear out or become damaged, oil can leak into the chamber, where it burns along with the air-fuel mixture, producing blue smoke. Also, they cause damaged valve seals. Valve seals prevent oil from leaking into the combustion chamber. If their seals become worn or damaged, oil can seep into the engine cylinders and burn during the combustion, result in blue smoke. Also, they could be blown head gasket. A blown head gasket can allow oil to enter the combustion chamber. The head gasket serves as the seal between the engine block and the cylinder head. They also could be the turbocharger issue. If your car is equipped with the turbocharger and you're seeing blue smoke, the issue could be malfunction in the turbocharger. Sometimes, when the people add the oil to the engine, they overfill with the oil, which can cause to the serious problem and can create the blue smoke from your exhaust. If too much oil is added during the oil change or the top up, the excess oil can be forced into the area of engine where it doesn't belong, including the combustion chamber. This excess oil burns off, creating blue smoke. So, if you see the blue smoke in your car, so probably there is a serious issue with your engine and they can cost you lots of money. The next one is a gray smoke. I will try to find a picture for you, show you how they looks. Gray smoke. It's a mixed white and blue with the little black color, and is called gray smoke. Gray smoke from car exhaust is typically a sign of underlying mechanical issue. The color and thickness of the smoke can help determine the exact cause. While black or white smoke can indicate the different problems, gray smoke often suggests an issue related to burning oil, fuel, on transmission or transmission fluid. When oil leaks into the combustion chamber, it's burned along with the fuel, producing gray or bluish gray smoke, or bluish, the bluish. You know, it's difficult to call because the color is not the gray, exactly gray. It's a little like a bluish or white smoke, but with the tone of gray. When oil leaks into the combustion chamber, it's burned along with the fuel, producing the bluish gray smoke. This can be due to worn out piston rings, valve seals, or even blown gasket. Also, they could be the transmission fluid if you drive the automatic car. Turbocharger failure, or EGR valve issue, which is very common these days. Many cars have an issue with the EGR valve. And let's go to the last one, the black smoke. I will change the picture. Black smoke. Black smoke we see very often on the road, especially uphill or when the driver wants to accelerate very fast. And the most there is a diesel engine which make black smoke, but not only. But on the roads, the most diesels, actually the older diesels, they generate the very thick black smoke when they're accelerating very fast or accelerating uphill, which the engine is needed lots of fuel to speed up. So black smoke coming from the car exhaust is often a sign of incomplete combustion in the engine, meaning that the fuel is not burning properly or entirely. This problem can be caused by a variety of the factors, ranging from issue with the engine, air-fuel mixture, or malfunction in its emission control system. A rich air-fuel mixture occurs when there is too much fuel and not enough air in the combustion chamber. When this happens, excess fuel fails to burn completely and is expelled through the exhaust system as a black smoke. They could be clogged or malfunction EGR valve. The exhaust gas recirculation EGR valve recirculates a portion of exhaust gases back into the combustion chamber to reduce emissions. If the EGR valve is clogged or stuck, it can cause excessive fuel consumption, incomplete combustion, and black smoke. Damage or warped piston rings, they could generate the black smoke. And the most common is a poorly quality or contaminated fuel can also cause the black smoke. Contaminates like water or other impurities in the fuel disrupt to the combustion process, causing incomplete combustion and can clog fuel injection. So basically, the black smoke from a car exhaust is typically a sign of incomplete combustions, often caused by too much fuel and not enough air. Addressing this issue involves checking components like oxygen sensor, fuel injectors, air filters, and MAF sensor. Regular vehicle maintenance can prevent many of these problems from occurring. Fixing black smoke emission promptly not only improves engine efficiency, but also reduces harmful pollutants, contributing to cleaner environment. So, thank you for watching. This is all what I prepared for today. At the end, I just remind you pictures of the 4 different smokes from the engine. Okay, so today I try to explain you why you see some cars produce the white smoke from the exhaust, the other produce the blue smoke, which is a second on the top, or black smoke, which is the most common smoke on our roads, and gray smoke. I hope you understand now what causes which color of the smoke, color of the smoke from your exhaust. So thank you for watching. Next live will be the last Monday of the next month. So I will do live session once a month, always the last Friday. Oh, sorry, last Monday, not Friday. I don't know why I'm thinking about the Friday. I'm thinking about the weekend, not the work week. So anyway, start again. I will do the live transmission once a month on Mondays, 12 p.m. London time, and is the last Monday of the month. Thank you for watching. In the description you will find the timeline, which will be divided for 4 topics. When is a explanation about the white smoke, what time is the explanation about blue smoke, and the black smoke and the gray smoke. So if you're interested about the one of them color, you can check the description and just click the timeline and go straight into the point. Also in the description will appear some specifics which you can buy on the petrol station or some shops to help you with the small problems, or maybe help you temporarily how to fix the problem with the smoke from your exhaust. Alright, thank you viewers, thank you for your time. See you next month. I hope you subscribe and like my channel, and I put the new video every Thursday 3 o'clock once a week, which usually is a helpful video for car owners or car users with some DIY topics. Once again, thank you for your time. See you live next month, last Monday of the November, 12 o'clock London time. Bye guys.